Hey everyone, let's lower the volume. Finally, peace. Today, you'll learn how to handle noisy neighbor situations politely in English without creating conflict.
You'll practice useful phrases for complaints, compromise, and respectful communication.
Listen carefully to the expressions and repeat them later with us. Let's continue the conversation. Hi again. Sorry to come back.
Oh no! Is it still too loud?
A little bit. The bass is still coming through the floor. Vocabulary pop-up. Bass is the deep, low sound in music. Got it. I'll turn it down more. Thank you. I know it's Friday night.
Yeah, people forget neighbors are trying to sleep.
Exactly. I didn't want to sound rude.
You don't sound rude at all.
Sometimes complaints can become arguments really fast.
That's true. In apartment buildings?
Vocabulary pop-up. Complaint. Saying officially that something is wrong or bothering you. I try to use calm language first. Like what? Instead of saying, "You're too loud," I say, "I'm having trouble sleeping."
That sounds much less aggressive.
Yeah, it focuses on the problem instead of attacking the person.
That's actually smart.
Communication matters.
You should teach conflict resolution classes.
Maybe someday.
Honestly, some neighbors bang on walls instead of talking.
That usually makes the situation worse.
Definitely.
Have you ever had noisy neighbors before?
Oh, yes. Last year, my upstairs neighbor vacuumed at 2 a.m.
Vacuuming at 2 a.m.? That's wild.
Every single night.
That sounds exhausting.
Exhausting. Making you very tired. I tried ignoring it at first.
Did that work?
Not really. I became more frustrated every week.
Sometimes silence builds resentment.
Vocabulary pop-up. Resentment is growing anger over time. Exactly. Then, one day, I finally knocked on the door.
Were they angry?
No, actually. They didn't know anyone could hear it.
That happens a lot.
People aren't always trying to be inconsiderate. Vocabulary pop-up. Inconsiderate is not thinking about other people's comfort.
Right. Sometimes they just don't notice.
Communication solves most problems early.
Here are some useful, polite phrases.
Repeat after us soon.
Would you mind lowering the volume a little?
I'm sorry to bother you this late.
The sound is carrying through the walls.
I'd really appreciate your help.
I'd really appreciate your help.
Zoom effect. Key phrases appear on screen.
These phrases sound respectful and calm.
Now, let's continue the story.
I hope I didn't interrupt your party too much.
Not at all. Most people are leaving anyway.
That's good. Thanks for being polite about it. I was nervous before knocking. Really? Yeah. You never know how strangers will react. That's fair. Some people become defensive immediately, especially late at night. That's why tone matters so much. What if someone refuses to cooperate? Then I document the issue and contact building management politely. Mature approach. Starting respectfully gives better results. You really are the peaceful neighbor. I try my best. Well, thanks again for coming over calmly. Thanks for listening. Now it's time for repeat practice.
Pause the video and repeat each sentence clearly.
Excuse me, would you mind lowering the volume?
Pause and repeat. I'm having trouble sleeping because of the noise. Pause and repeat.
I understand you're having fun, but it's getting late.
Pause and repeat. Thank you for understanding. Pause and repeat.
I appreciate your cooperation.
Vocabulary pop-up. Cooperation means working together peacefully. Pause and repeat. Great job!
Let's practice emotional tone now.
Sorry to bother you.
The noise has been continuing for over an hour. Let's find a solution together. Thanks for being understanding. Zoom effect. Firm but polite. Notice how calm voices reduce tension. Speaking aggressively often creates bigger conflict.
Respectful communication builds trust with neighbors.
Now let's test your English.
Mini quiz time.
Question 1. What does awkward mean? A. Comfortable. B. Uncomfortable. C. Exciting. Correct answer B. Uncomfortable. Question 2. Which sentence sounds more polite? A. Be quiet right now. B. Would you mind lowering the volume? Correct answer B. Question 3. What does defensive mean? A. Calm and relaxed. B. Feeling attacked. C. Very sleepy. Correct answer B. Feeling attacked. Question 4. Complete this sentence. I really blank your help. A. Appreciate. B. Disturb. C. Argue. Correct answer A. Appreciate. Last question. What should you do first during a neighbor dispute? A. Start yelling. B. Talk calmly. C. Bang on the wall angrily.